My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. I have been in private practice for 42 years, worked at IRS for 10 long years. I've been on national TV many times. Just go to my website at 777irs.com. You can learn about me. You know, about 8-9 years ago, the government threw in some legislation. You know, everyone adds on to their legislation to come up with a really nice, neat package. Well, in this legislation, IRS, the federal government, threw some stuff in. Very rare for IRS really to do this. And what they went ahead and said is, you know, if you have serious IRS tax debt, what they consider serious IRS tax debt, you know what they're going to do? They are going to go ahead and send a notice to the State Department saying that you have delinquent debt certification with the IRS. And it's up to the State Department to do what they want. Usually what they will do is they will go ahead and, if you're overseas, they will issue you a passport exemption for you to come back in the States to take care of your problem. So what happens? The IRS and the State Department collaborates on what to do on given cases. I don't know of any cases where they've ever restricted anybody from coming over. There may have been a case or two that the debt was so large, when you were overseas, the IRS got involved and they want to know what your plan is. But at the end of the day, what you're going to have to do is when you come back in the state, you're going to have to call IRS, because IRS already filed a federal tax lien. They sent you a 508C letter. So now what has to happen is the IRS has to get involved, and you have to close your case with IRS, your collection case, in one of three methods. You file an offer, you get a payment agreement, or you can go ahead and apply for currently non-collectible, but your current financial statement dictates. That's what we deal with. If this is your situation, you call me, I can analyze your case, I hate to say it, probably in under 60 seconds, and make a determination. Therefore, we'll eventually get your passport. But just so you know, the IRS and the State Department colludes in making sure this all happens. All they're trying to do is, they know people that have passports and travel, have money, and what they're doing, they're putting the pressure on you. I know how to get your passport back. Call me if you need me. I'm a former agent. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. Give me a subscription. I try to tell you the things you need. Thank you so much.